Let's take a look at Velixo templates. Templates are a set of reporting, budgeting, and automation Excel workbooks that are built by Velixo for a given ERP, a given use case, and/or a set of features. Templates are essentially sub-products of the Velixo add-in to further accelerate adoption, improve onboarding, reduce total cost of ownership, and provide additional value to those who use Velixo. They're meant to accelerate our time to value. They can fulfill a specific need or provide a great starting point which we can then customize, be it adding elements of brand identity, changing the chart of account structure, or modifying the layout. Velixo realizes that no template can ever meet all user requirements. However, templates can significantly speed up implementations, so you don't have to start from scratch, and demonstrate what can be done with Velixo, which includes best practices, tips and techniques, and use of one or more features. There are different types of templates, and templates may cover different functional areas, which in turn would serve different audiences. There are 3 different types of templates. A sample template is an Excel workbook that Velixo provides to the community on an as-is basis. It is an example of a use case, feature, or concept that serves as a reference that we could then customize ourselves. Samples don't receive the same level of productization as do production report templates. They are not supported, may only have limited documentation, and may not be kept up to date. A demo template is a set of reports in a single workbook that is typically built for pre-sales demonstrations, marketing, or webinar purposes. Demo templates are made available by Velixo in order to showcase features of the product. Demos are not intended for use in any production way, as they receive limited quality assurance and data may be altered for demonstration purposes. Demo templates are not supported, may have limited documentation, yet are maintained by Velixo. A report template, also known as a production template, is a productized Velixo Excel workbook that may or may not be monetized and licensed. Production templates are generic, meaning they should work upon connecting them to our ERP and/or only require minimal configuration changes. They are fully documented, supported, and maintained by Velixo. Velixo will maintain production templates to ensure that every template works with the current version of Velixo and the ERP it is designed for. Production templates are versioned, and when a new version is made available, the report template is updated and changes are documented. Velixo only supports the current version of the template. If a template that requires support from Velixo has been customized, Velixo reserves the right to assess whether standard support applies or not. Velixo always limits the introduction of any breaking change within its products, as that would impact many users in our community. This also very much applies to templates. However, it may sometimes be necessary to introduce such changes that could cause issues with your specific ERP version. In such a case, Velixo may branch a report template and document the different versions. Velixo maintains a list of all templates for our convenience in their online help center at help.velixo.com. Let's look at how to download a template and then modify it to work with our ERP. From the Velixo Online Help Center, we'll scroll to the Templates section. Let's download one of the production templates. Specifically, let's use the trial balance. Each of the articles here in the Help Center will provide a great deal of information about the template, everything from a general description of the report, the features addressed, additional documentation, and instructions for customizing it for our use. We'll start by downloading a copy of the file and then opening it. Depending on our organization's security settings, we may need to enable editing of the file. We can see that the chart of accounts is listed. All the accounts in this particular connection are 5 digits, along with their respective balances based on the financial period and other parameters specified at the top of the report. We'll navigate to the Options sheet. Here we see a combination of Velixo and Excel functions which gather data about our ERP and prepare that for use within our report. There is also information such as the name of the defined connection and the net income account, which can be modified by hand. Let's set up a connection to our ERP and see how the report automatically adjusts. First, we'll specify what type of ERP we are going to be connecting to, and then fill in the rest of the information we need for logging into our ERP. Once everything is filled in, we'll click Connect. Now that we have our connection, we'll first check to see what our ERP uses for the net income account. In this case, it is account 300-500. So we'll go back to our report and enter that here. Then in the first column, we'll change to the name we gave our new connection. You can see that all the rest of the data here on the option sheet automatically updates to match what is retrieved from our new connection. If we go back to the trial balance worksheet, we can see the new 6-digit chart of accounts, the account names, and the new balances from our ERP. We can update any of the report parameters and see our report refresh with our data. Velixo production templates can be a valuable addition to your Velixo reports. Please reach out through the community links on our website if you have suggestions about specific report templates you think would be valuable assets to the Velixo community as a whole. Thank you for watching this video. Look for other videos where we discuss the usage of specific production templates available for your ERP.